Hello, tutor and partners. I'm Paola Vasquez. I want to teach how they use the Flipsnack tool. It's a digital book. In this opportunity, I comment in this tool we can transform in the PDF files into very dynamic visual digital books. We can build the Word in the any Office application is no problem. And finally, say it is a PDF. Is very important point. However, the application is to the use mainly visual information, such as image reader that use text is one of the most important things you should keep in mind. We start is very simple in the tools Flipsnack. Go to Google in the look for the name of the web tool Flipsnack, and you must click off the create new account. In my case, I already have it. This is my account, this is my password. I'm sorry. Sorry, yeah, it's here. Perfect. It is very simple to the use. Now they click upload PDF in the upload in this next screen. Okay, in this screen, it is very simple. Now they click up the files in the word save in UPC. Again, they click to allow files in the send to the files. You must to the original word you save the word of the PDF. In my case, I will log the word of the subject of my class. For example, this one is here. Perfect. Here they showed you this file. Please make sure you have the name you need because you cannot edit it. We give below. The next. And here you can already notice the project archiving of the digital file. Let's take a look at how they want. The time to continue. The idea is that we can mount to the work preferable at the work PowerPoint, and my for the background of the presentation have color and figures is for you prefer. Okay. These colors that are the questions to change the stock background, but the original presentation is not modified. But the word, the presentation, or the original presentation is not modified. It's no problem. Okay. As we have seen here, we have found some options, the visually the digital books, but it's a Apple for the premium version, and it has a cost, but we don't need it. Yes, there are. Perfect. Then we click on the next to see how is will finally be an we are satisfied with the short description in the word. Example, my description is the web 2.0. Perfect. We change category, for example, education, for example. The visuality is always is public. And here is the date published or publicate today. Yes. Click now. Click on the Flits book, and here we are saying how they are published in the case of the query. Edit or delete. Edit or delete. Yes. Right click and select the options. Well, that's it. I hope this was very useful. Thank you for your attention.